How to do a deep research in ChatGPT in Android phone. So you got a topic and you do want to do a deep research. So let's say if I want to do give me a research on velocity and acceleration. I'll just type it. So now, once you have typed it, you need to go to this chat GPT at the top. Once you click on that, you will find the model number currently, and then you will get a deep research, get a detailed report. Once you select that, so research is selected and you just need to click on that and it will start do the research for you and it will give you. So it is also giving me, are you interested in the basic physics concept? What exactly you want to? So you can simply type whatever you want to. Do you want the mathematical derivations? Should the content be formatted as the report, summary, or something else? So here you just need to answer it and you will get to know on any topic. You can do the deep research on any topic. So if you find this tutorial short and helpful, please don't forget to hit the like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video. Have a wonderful day.